welcome to Bob and Kelly's Martini Monday.
Where we are mixing up a brand new martini for you guys every single Monday of the year.
Yes.
So this is September.
Right.
We are continuing our theme of September with...
international inspired martinis.
That's right.
Yes.
Yes.
But my caveat is it has to have a country's name in it. So
Caveat.
Caveat.
Speaking of international.
Caveat.
Caveat,
Yes. That is the French word, which is very apropos.
Apropos.
For today's martini. We're doing a French martini. Last week, if you watched this, we did a Japanese martini.
Japanese slipper, yeah.
Japanese slipper. It was good.
You liked it better than I did.
I did.
That's okay.
But you know what? We can't make them all
perfect
for
each
other's taste.
That's
so.
right. That's
anyway,
right.
so this week is a French martini, and it's got one of my favorite ingredients in it. I love chambord. Is amazing.
Yes, if you guys have ever been to Le Chef de France in Epcot,
yes,
they do have a really nice French martini there.
Yes.
One of my favorites.
Yeah, it's one of my favorites, Martine. It is one of her favorites.
It is one of my favorites.
Anyway,
so,
chambord is like a blackberry liqueur.
Yeah.
It is so good.
We tweaked this recipe just a little bit because, believe it or not, we actually did a trial run on this one because it's got a foam.
Right.
It was not good. I'm just going to tell you that right now.
It wasn't.
But we're going to...
in Bob and Kelly style.
We redid the recipe.
This is a Bob and Kelly French martini. Oh. And I'm knocking things over.
We redid it just a little bit, so hopefully, fingers crossed, this one will
No, this one's gonna be amazing. I know it. I know it in my heart.
So let's get started with this bad boy.
Okay, what we're gonna use is 6. This is 4-2.
Always
2 martini.
for
Always
2
for
drinks.
2.
Yes.
Yep. So we're gonna do 6 ounces. Well,
unless it's a really bad day.
You know, let's really want to. Okay, here we go. 6 ounces of vodka. And I know the French would say, use Belvedere, use Belvedere.
Yeah, but this is what we have. So
Sky.
Use what you have.
Actually, Belvedere is really good. I like Belvedere.
It is.
I like Belvedere vodka.
Yeah.
So these are 2-ounce measures, so we need 3 of those.
Yeah, you do need 3 of those.
Yes, I do.
I'm like, you're putting more vodka in there than necessary.
No. You don't know me.
Chambord.
Chambord. We're going to use 3 ounces of chambord. So they're...
I just like the shape of that.
I know, this is the coolest bottle ever.
Cool. Oh, it's coming out a little slow today.
That's all right.
Please
I got
hold.
time. Do we need Jeopardy music? There you go.
Wow, it's really slow, isn't it?
So, but you know what? It's French. Sorry.
Is that a characteristic?
Maybe.
Oh, okay.
It came out that time,
there
though.
It did. Sure
okay.
did.
There we go. 3 ounces of chambord.
1 ounce of pineapple
1 ounce of pineapple juice, which is this one.
Do you need a towel?
Shh, I have a towel.
Okay.
1 ounce of pineapple juice. Okay, and 1 egg white.
1 egg white.
This makes the foam.
Yes.
And we're gonna do a dry shake because the dry shake is what creates the foam without diluting it. So we don't want ice in there right now. We just want to do this.
Gets the foam started, yeah.
Dry shake.
Dry shake, dry shake. Oh!
The foam is started. Listen, I am not a professional.
It is a little messy.
I am not a professional, so don't judge. Okay, after the dry shake, we got a nice little foam formed here.
I'm gonna get you a towel.
Why? I have a towel right here.
No, but that was already dirty.
Oh my gosh. You know what? The foam disappeared. I'm gonna shake it some more.
The foam disappeared. There we go.
Probably because it wasn't sealed properly.
Oh, yeah, probably right. Don't blow a seal.
That would be bad.
That would be bad.
Then we're gonna add ice and we're gonna shake it again.
Oh, okay. Okay.
You're gonna get rid of that?
Yes, I am.
Here we go. Shake it until it's cold, people.
I've taken some lemon peel. I made a little lemon twister just for garnish. Hello.
You shake it like this, it makes it foamier.
Does it?
Yes.
Okay.
Because it breaks the ice up a little bit.
Let's see if I can get the shaker open.
Oh my god. Come on, baby.
You almost cussed, didn't you?
Almost.
Oh.
But I kept.
Oh.
I got it. I got it. Here it comes. Here it comes.
Okay.
Got it. Oh yeah.
Yeah, that's nice and foamy.
That's a good foam.
Yes.
Say foam 10 times fast.
How many times can you say foam?
Good foam.
Foam.
And pour into a chilled
Pour.
glass.
Yeah, strain it. And it's gonna separate a little bit according to the first drink that we just did.
Yeah, it looks a little cloudy and muddy right now.
Yeah, but I think it's gonna separate
But that
nicely.
foam is gonna just like,
Foam.
The foam goes to the top. Look at that.
Beautiful. Lovely. I'm just gonna see if I can float these bad boys on the top here.
Garnish with a lemon twist.
Oh, it's gonna sink, it's gonna sink.
It's okay, put it on the side, put it on the
There
side.
we go. Whew, saved it.
Can't have a drowning lemon.
No, you cannot.
Okay.
We're gonna pause for pictures.
Yes, we are.
As always.
Yes, we are. Okay.
All right, and we're back. Picture's done.
Look how pretty.
It's very pretty.
Oh my gosh, I love it.
Cheers.
Yeah.
This is full too. That's
Is
good.
that it?
Yep.
It is
That's
good.
much better.
I mean, yeah, because we really.
The first one was not good.
No.
I'm gonna tell you that right
This
now.
is like, you can vodka, chambord.
Yeah.
It's,
Because we put we put lemon lime in the first one because it called for lemon lime foam. It's too lemony.
now this is a martini.
Yeah, that's got quite the kick to it
This
too.
is a martini. I love
But I can
this.
taste the chambord. That's nice. That's really nice. What do you think? You like it?
I told you chambord is my favorite liqueur.
Yeah, it's
It
very
is.
nice.
It is so amazing. And the foam, I like the foam because it kind of just like,
Yeah, it just adds a little extra something.
you know,
doesn't
it kind of softens it up just a little bit.
It does. Yeah, if it was just the straight martini without the foam. Foam.
Foam.
How many times did we say foam in this
Foam
video?
home.
E.T. foam home.
E.T. foam
Okay.
home.
All right. Thank you
Okay,
guys.
now we're just getting weird.
Yeah, we're just getting weird. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't done so already, please do us a huge favor. Hit that subscribe button. Ding the notification bell so that you know when we post, and give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. And we will see you guys next week with another cool martini.
Yes, we will.
All right, have a great day. Thanks for watching.
Love you, bye.
Love you, bye. It is a little strong, but all you would need is one to
See, that's my kind of martini right there.
yeah, all you would need is one to get your
I would
rolling.
totally be like, that would zip my zipper.
That would zip your zipper. That would fry your chicken. That would crumble your cookie.
Yeah.
That would dunk your Oreo.
Yeah.
That would ice cream your sandwich.
I like the Dunky Oreo. That's a good one.
That would peanut butter your jelly.
Now you're just getting good.
The more I drink it, the more I like it.
Okay, people. This is the second one we filmed.
Yes.
I drank Kelly's.
So this is your third
This is my third.
martini of the day.
I am not feeling pain.
It's good. You don't want to be in pain. Cool.
This, to me, is a martini.
Yeah.
The sweet one, you know, kind of takes away from the martini vibe.
Okay.
You know what I mean? Because I like.
So
know
for
me,
you,
I
martini-
love to take that. I love to taste the alcohol.
Martinis for you are like strong, like man drinks.
Well, you can taste the alcohol.
Yeah.
That's what I like. Because, you know, some of these have good flavors. Like, you know, like the
Yeah.
vodka. If it's a good vodka, like I recently learned, a good tequila actually tastes really.
It makes all the difference.
It makes all the difference.
Yeah.
So seriously, people, good alcohol makes a difference.
Don't use cheap alcohol.
Don't use cheap. Don't use Mad Dog 2020.
No.
No.
Just say no.
Just say.
No, I'm liking it more.
Okay.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.